Hello! We're continuing with our Mirra One's chair replacement part series. In this video, we'll show you how to change your Mirra One's chair arm pads. Let's get started. Unbolt both arm pads. Take the arm pads off. When you take the arm pad off, it's normal for the knob and springs to detach from the rails, so you have to insert them back and double check their functionality by pushing the button. Make sure that the arm pad can easily move in a horizontal way after pushing the button. If it can move without pushing the button, then the springs and knobs are not back in correctly. Now, we will install the new arm pads. Note that we didn't insert the arm pad fully to make finding the screw much easier. We recommend using the star key screwdriver since it's the safer option to avoid damaging the screw. Otherwise, use an electrical drill with caution and align the screw with the screw hole carefully prior to tightening it. Herman Miller has discontinued the Mirra One chair and the old version arm pad, which makes us at Office Shop the first ones to produce aftermarket arm pads with the same original quality. So get yours now at OfficeLogixShop.com.